stay so little nigga. Yeah, talking that shit, little nigga, don't get stuck. Beat a bitch down there and leave it, that's a risk cut. We gon' take it from you, so you better keep that shit tucked.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your host, Chef Noyo.
Give it to me, give it to me.
We're back with another cooking video. So, you guys really love the other video I had done a few weeks back. And I told y'all what I was gonna do. We're making Biscoff, egg roll, cheesecake, egg rolls. I said it wrong, but I'm very excited about this. I found this on TikTok, by the way. So, let's get started. The first thing we gotta do is pop these egg rolls. Pop these egg rolls. Open the egg rolls. They do smell like egg rolls. Okay, so basically there's not a lot in here, so we have to like stank. Alright. So next thing is we got I kind of ate some of these. I'm so sorry. These are the best cookies. I don't care. Shout out to my dog KL for putting me on with this. So we gotta crush these the biscuits. So should have done that before I started the video, but I was so excited. Crush them to your desired liking. So now, as soon as you get the cookies crushed up, I have crushed them up pretty well. What next up is make the egg wash because, you know, this needs egg wash because this needs egg rolls. So what you want to do is, obviously this is not going to help my head, but perfectly cracked egg. Alright guys, we have all the ingredients together. Not gonna lie, this is a lot of spoons, but so what you want to do first is put the creamy cheese on the egg roll. It's low-key supposed to be cheesecake batter, but I don't know how to make cheesecake, and I low-key forgot to get that at the store. And didn't realize that until after I watched the TikTok. So, yeah, just spread it all in there, I guess. Put as much cheesecake as you want, or cream cheese, whatever. But, yeah. Oh, make sure you guys wash your hands, because y'all don't know where your hands been at. You nasties. Anyways, after that, put your cookies in there. Doesn't matter how much. No. After that, put the spread on there. Just a teeny tiny little bit. Okay, I think we should grab it. Okay. It's giving arts and crafts. And then after that, the egg wash, make sure you put it on the corners. Then after that, you put it on the make an egg roll. So bam, bam. It's giving very much freaking burrito. So I literally just got done putting the stuff in the egg rolls. So now we frying these bad boys for a good 2 to 3 minutes. And this is how you do it. So first things first, put it in the put it in the and now just put it in. Let these bad boys sit for a good 2-3 minutes on each side, and we're good to go. They smell good. Son of a Bitch. I think I got the wrong ones. Yeah, I think I got the wrong kind. They're supposed to be golden brown, but I think I got the wrong ones. That's on me. We're going to redo masks. How's y'all day going? Is it going good? Is it going excellent? That's pretty good. I'm not doing so good right now, but you know, life happens. If you guys want another cooking video, let me know in the comments what y'all want me to make. Stay tuned for the next cooking vlog because I got Riley and KO coming over. I can't tell you what it is, but it's gonna be fun. Oh, I think it's time to flip. We're just gonna use the same one. I ain't doing more dishes. So this is currently the egg rolls. I think I got the wrong kind, but it's okay. We learned a lesson to find a decent one that doesn't look like this. So I'll be back once I'm done with all the egg rolls and then we'll taste test. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. Low key, you can put cinnamon sugar on it, but I didn't have any sugar. I mean, I didn't have any cinnamon, so I just put nutmeg. So cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar. Yeah. Bon appetit, I guess. I literally got egg roll. Literally. That is entirely too sweet. Way too sweet. And I literally got egg rolls. Not like the wrap ones, like you know, when you eat Chinese food, you get some egg rolls. I literally got the wrong thing, and that's on me. We're gonna give this a negative 0 million. And I was very happy to try this. I made the shit wrong. We're gonna do a do-over of this. Not gonna lie, because I don't know if I want to eat the rest of it or just throw it away. I don't like wasting food, especially good food. But the mixture of the Biscoff cookies and the spread and the cream cheese is like top tier good. It's really good. Like I'll eat that again, but making it as egg rolls, Nah, baby, that ain't gonna work. That ain't gonna work. So, get this to like 6 likes and I'll low-key do another one for y'all. Not this though, but I'll do another baking video to like replace this one because so if you guys haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, you're clearly missing out. And let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more cooking videos, because y'all guys seem to like it. So make sure you like in the comments. And like the video if you guys want more videos. And till next time, ladies and gentlemen, toodles.